नीचे रख देती है। हो गया बैठ।
May I have the permission of Honorable the Chief Justice to commence the reference proceedings of the court?
Yes. My distinguished brother judges, Mr. Y.S. Thakur, Learned Additional Advocate General, Mr. Sunil Otwani, a representative of the Special Committee of the State Bar Council, Mr. Rajesh Kumar Kesarwani, Administrator of the High Court of Chhattisgarh Bar Association, Mr. Ramakant Mishra, Deputy Solicitor General, then senior advocates and other members of the bar, Registrar General and other officers of the registry. We have assembled here today to mourn the sad demise of late Justice K.H.N. Kuranga, who left for the Heavenly Board on 21st October 2025 at Bengaluru. Justice Kuranga was born on 11th May 1942 in Kuranga village of Tumkur district. Justice Kuranga completed his schooling at St. Joseph's College, Bengaluru, earned his Bachelor of Arts degree from Mysore University in 1964, and later obtained his Bachelor of Law degree from Bangalore University in 1967. He was enrolled as an advocate on 17th May 1968 and served as standing counsel for the corporation of the city of Bengaluru. He was appointed as a High Court government pleader in 1975 and subsequently as additional state public prosecutor in 1984 and state public prosecutor in 1985. Justice Kuranga was elevated as a judge of the Karnataka High Court on 22nd February 1993 and in February 2002. He was appointed as the second Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh, assuming charge on 6th February 2002. He led this institution with dedication and integrity until his superannuation in May 2004. Though I did not have the opportunity to meet Justice Kuranga personally, I am given to understand that he was highly regarded for his sound legal knowledge, his disciplined nature, and his steadfast commitment to justice. His work and contributions to the legal fraternity will always be valued. My sister and brother judges join me in conveying our heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family, and we pray to the Almighty to give courage to them to bear this irreparable loss. May the departed soul rest in eternal peace.
My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice Sri Ramesh Sinha ji, and Honorable Judges of the High Court of Chhattisgarh, Mr. H.P. Agarwal, President, Prashashak Samiti of Chhattisgarh High Court Bar Association, Mr. Sunil Otwani, Member, Special Committee of Chhattisgarh State Bar Council, Sri Ramakant Mishra, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Senior Advocates and young members of the Bar, Registrar General and the Registry Officers, Chhattisgarh High Court, Director, JOTI, and Judicial Officers of the State. We have assembled here to pay tribute to Honorable Justice late Sri K.H.N. Kuranga, who left for heavenly abode on 21st October 2025. It is always difficult to encompass in a few words the variegated and distinguished career of the eminent jurist, scholar, educationalist, and linguist. His lifespan of 83 long years symbolizes significant achievements at each important stage, bringing honor and glory not only to himself, but also to the institution which he served. This predicament that I am facing today, having gathered to pay tribute to Honorable Justice late Sri K.H.N. Kuranga, former Chief Justice of the High Court of Chhattisgarh, is more vivid on my face because of his personality. Justice Kuranga was born on 11th May 1942 at Tumkur district, state of Karnataka. Honorable Mr. Justice Kuranga started practicing in the Bangalore bar after enrolling as an advocate on 17th May 1968 and practiced mainly on the criminal side. He worked as High Court pleader in 1975 and was appointed as Additional State Public Prosecutor in 1985. Honorable Mr. Justice Kuranga became judge of the Karnataka High Court on 22nd February 1993 to February 2002. On 6th of February 2002, he became second Chief Justice of the High Court of Chhattisgarh and served on his role until May 2004 and retired on 10th of May 2004. He had two distinguished qualities as judge. One was willing to acknowledge that he was wrong. In several cases, having read the papers, he appeared to have made up his mind, but he had the courage and the humility to acknowledge that he was wrong and changed his view. The second hallmark was his sense of judicial discipline. Even though he was keen to do justice, he never did so at the expense of the law. What surpasses all his achievement and his qualities of being gentleman, a jurist, and his benevolence. I am told that as a lawyer, he was always available for help, legally and personally. Any brethren in profession, especially the youngsters. As a judge, apart from being a jurist and a patient listener, he was known for encouraging juniors members of the bar by making them comfortable in the courtroom. He always remembered that someday he was also a junior and a youngster. Honorable Justice late Sri Kuranga will be missed not only by his family, members and friends, but also by admirers in the legal fraternity. On this occasion, with full of grief and sorrow, on behalf of the Office of Advocate General and myself, I express my heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family of the Honorable Justice late Sri Kuranga and pray to the Almighty to grant eternal peace to the departed soul and give courage to the members of the bereaved family and pray the departed soul may rest in peace.
Honorable the Chief Justice and Honorable the Companion Judges, Sri Yashwant Singh Thakur, Additional Advocate General, High Court of Chhattisgarh, Sri Sunil Otwani, Member of Special Committee, Chhattisgarh State Bar Council, Sri Ramakant Misra, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Senior Advocates and Member of the Bars, Registry Officers. Today we assemble to mourn the departed soul who was born on 11/5/1942 at Koratgiri in district Tumkur. He studied at St. Joseph College, Bangalore and obtained BA degree from Mysore University and then obtained his degree of law from Bangalore University in 1967. Thereafter, enrolled as an advocate in 1968 and joined the Chamber of Sri A. Samanna, legendary figure of criminal law practice. Further, to obtain the experience of civil and constitutional matters, he joined the Chamber of Sri K.H.N. He married to Srimati P.G. Gauri, who is a leading member of the bar and a social worker too. Honorable Sir, elevated as judge on 22/2/1993 at High Court of Karnataka and became the second Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh on 6/2/2002, who remained up to 10th May 2004. The judicial journey undertaken by Justice Honorable Kuranga was adorable. All law reports bear the testimony of his vast learnings. Judgments rendered by him are cited with respect. He was friendly to everybody and enjoyed a good reputation in bench and bar. For some time, Honorable Justice Kuranga was fighting the vagaries of the old age, but ultimately the death's icy hands snatched him away from us on 21st October 2025. With the passing away of Honorable Justice, it seems that an era has come to an end. He was the man to believe in honesty is the best policy and always delivered a dialogue. Don't judge a book by its cover. On behalf of the Chhattisgarh High Court Bar Association and myself, I express a deep sense of gratitude for his lordship contribution to Chhattisgarh High Court and extend my deepest condolence for the loss. I would like to pay my tribute to his family who took up the responsibilities for the well-being of everyone in family, and he was a loving and caring father. He will be remembered fondly by not only his family and acquaintances, but also by our High Court Bar Association. by concluding on behalf of Chhattisgarh High Court Bar Association and myself, paying respectful homage to the departed soul, and also pray to God to give strength and courage to the family members. May his soul rest in peace. Om Shanti.
My Lord Honorable the Chief Justice Shri Ramesh Sinha ji and other companion judges of the High Court of Chhattisgarh, Shri Yashwant Singh Thakur, Additional Advocate General, Shri R.K. Kesarwani, Administrator Chhattisgarh High Court Bar Association, Shri Ramakant Mishra, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Registrar General, Officer of the Registry, Senior Advocates and members of the Bar. With heavy heart of full of grief, we have gathered here today to mourn the loss of our former Chief Justice, late Shri Justice K.H.N. Kuranga, who has left for the heavenly abode. There are times when silence is no more potent than speech, when words seems to be thin, tame and poor to express our thoughts and feelings. Life is rather a state of embryo, a preparation for a life, and a man is not completely born till he passed away through death. Late Shri Justice Kuranga was born on 11th May 1942, hailed from a Tumkur district, and started practicing in the Bangalore bar after enrolling as an advocate on 17th May 1968. He worked as a High Court pleader in 1975 and was appointed as an additional public prosecutor in 1985. He became judge of the Karnataka High Court on 22nd February 1993. On 6th of February 2022, he became second Chief Justice of Chhattisgarh High Court and served in the role till 10th May 2004. When he joined as a Chief Justice of a High Court, there were many challenges, which include number of judges. He assumed the office with a mindset that एक और एक दो नहीं होते बल्कि एक और एक 11 भी होते हैं. In his own quiet and calm manner, he showed how to work through challenging times and to carry everyone along. He was a generous and a kind-hearted person, having concern towards all. During the course of life, a person grows from child to a young boy, manhood, old age, and then it is but the inevitable rule of the nature to submit oneself for elimination. True it is that loss of someone creates a void. However, the time spent together create memories which keep on refreshing our mind and remind us about the times lived with the departed soul. On this occasion, with a full of grief and sorrow, on behalf of the State Bar Council and on behalf of I express my heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family of late Shri Justice Kuranga and pray to the Almighty to grant eternal peace to the departed soul and give courage to the members of the bereaved family and pray that the departed soul may rest in peace.
My Lord Honorable Chief Justice Ramesh Sinha ji, Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Chhattisgarh, and all judges of Honorable High Court of Chhattisgarh. Shri Yashwant Singh, Additional Advocate General, Shri Rajesh Kesarwani, Member of Administrative Committee, Chhattisgarh High Court Bar Association, Shri Sunil Natwani, Member of Special Committee, State Bar Council of Chhattisgarh, Registrar General, and all judicial officers of High Court of Chhattisgarh, senior advocates, and respected members of the bar. With profound grief and sorrow, we have assembled today to pay respect to the departed soul of Honorable Justice K.H.N. Kuranga, former Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh and former Justice of Karnataka High Court, who passed away on 21st of October 2025 at the age of 83 years. Honorable Justice K.H.N. Kuranga, born on 11th May 1948 at Koratgiri in district Tumkur, Karnataka state. He pursued his earlier education in St. Stable College, Bangalore, and later on did BA from Mysore and went to study for Bangalore University and enrolled as an advocate in the year 1968. Justice Kuranga commenced his legal career under the mentorship of Sri A. Samanna and subsequently joined the chamber of Sri K. A. Swami, having good grasp in civil and constitutional matter. Sri Kuranga elevated as Judge of Karnataka High Court on 22nd of February 1993 and appointed as Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh on 6 February 2002. Justice Kuranga was second Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh and served period up to 2 years from 6 February 2002 to 10th of May 2004. Justice Kuranga was widely admired for the depth of clarity and compassion, which reflected in his judgments, speeches, and writings, which remind us that wealth, fame, or power that endures but Character, in the words of Abraham Lincoln, reputation is a shadow and character is a tree. Tree is the real thing. Justice Kuranga embodied his truth throughout his life and judicial service. Justice Kuranga was a man of humanity, integrity, unwavering fairness, known his openness and impartiality. He treated every member of the bar with dignity and respect. His simplicity, honesty, and empathy earned admiration not only as a judge but also a person of extraordinary character. Justice Kuranga survived his wife, Srimati P.G. Gauri, who is the leading member of the bar and also social workers. I, on behalf of Union of India and all officers of central government and myself, extend our thoughtful condolence and pray Almighty to give strength to the members of the bereaved family to bear the irreparable loss. May the soul rest in peace. Om Shanti.
As a mark of respect to the departed soul, we shall observe silence for a minute. The court proceeding for the remaining part of the day shall stand suspended. The Registrar General shall convey the condolences of the bench and the bar to the bereaved family.
May I have the permission of Honorable the Chief Justice to conclude the reference proceedings of the court?
Yes, please continue.
With the permission of Honorable the Chief Justice, I conclude the reference proceedings of the court.